What is a squeeze page used for? The squeeze page is a landing page designed to collect email addresses for marketing campaigns. Usually, there are no exit hyperlinks, advertisements or other additions to the page that could interfere with the visitor for the sole purpose of the website. In addition to providing a short opportunity for visitors to enter their email address, the squeeze page can also offer free content to further entice visitors to sign up. Once an email address is entered, visitors will receive immediate confirmation, usually along with the promised free content. If a visitor chooses not to register, there is very little to do on the knitting page other than the vacation page. To increase the likelihood of a webmaster signing up, stay distracted on the squeeze page. Except for advertisements and hyperlinks, there are generally no comment boxes, contact addresses, or links to different pages on the same website. The squeeze page generally consists of a viewable page unless the visitor signs up, in which case a thank you page may appear. Oftentimes, the squeeze page promises information that is not freely available on the internet. To get this information, your visitors must first subscribe to the newsletter. To convince visitors to sign up, webmasters can set a voice or video sales pitch to play to grab the visitor's attention when the website loads. Generally, the goal is not to sell things but to have your visitors receive free information along with their email address. Please watch the next video to learn more. Thank you for watching, subscribe and like for more update.